We guide you through how to add a new contact to your Microsoft Outlook Express 365 account in a simple and fast way. So, first thing you need to do is to open Outlook and make sure you are logged in into your Microsoft 365 account. Then go to the People or Contact section from the left menu or App Launcher. Click on New Contact, enter the person's name, email address, phone number, and any other details you want to save. Then, double check the information for accuracy. After that, click Save and Contact will automatically sync to your Outlook account and be available across your devices. If you want to organize your contact better, you can also assign categories or edit the contact anytime by selecting it from your list. So that's it.